Hi! Today, we're going to learn on how to use Microsoft Excel to perform two-dice Monte Carlo simulation. At the end of this video, you are expected to learn what is a Monte Carlo simulation and use Microsoft Excel to perform two-dice Monte Carlo simulation. But what is a Monte Carlo simulation? Monte Carlo simulation is a model used to predict the probability of a variety of outcomes when the potential for random variable is present. It helps to explain the impact of risk and uncertainty in prediction and forecasting models. It requires assigning multiple values to an uncertain variable to achieve multiple results, and then averaging the results to obtain an estimate. So in Monte Carlo sampling, a computer is used to simulate real-world outcomes quickly, efficiently, and safely. The program generates random appropriate values for the variables in question and runs an extremely large number of times to ensure that the average result approximates the norm. And now let's open our Microsoft Excel and learn how to use Monte Carlo simulation in rolling two dice. So here is an example of a two-dice Monte Carlo simulation up to 1,000 rolls. Let's get started by clearing out the data. To start with, let's have a sample of a possible combination. Let's assign a random number between 1 to 6 in die 1. And we are going to copy this formula in die 2. And then we are going to total the possible number or the possible outcome between die 1 and die 2. In this example, die 1 got 5, die 2 got 5, and we have a total of 10. Now always remember, these numbers will change from time to time.